Morning, everybody. Here we are in the city of Westminster. We are going to sand and refinish. First off, we got these steps. Got a lot of wear and tear on them. Gonna be refinishing those. Sand, refinish. This whole upstairs unit has been pretty beaten up. Go ahead and take a look at this wear and tear on this floor. So that's gonna be sanded, refinished. We got one room right here. A lot of wear and tear, so this is gonna look like a brand new floor once this is all done. Second room, as you can see, it's got paint on the floor. Lots of wear and tear here. So third room here. So the goal here is to get something this color. So you can see side by side, that one's a lot lighter. So that's our goal. But this is gonna look like a brand new floor once we're done. Can't wait to see how it comes out. Have a good one, everybody.